everyone, and welcome back to the Alchemist Shed. My name's Fiona and thank you for joining me today. We're going to be pollinating my courgettes because I have lost 10 courgettes already since the start of this season. Hey, take a look at this. Look at this. Hey, it is just dreadful. 10. They're just shriveling up and dying. But I think I've found the reason behind this problem. It's a pollinating problem. I have no bees or not enough bees in my greenhouse to do the pollination. So I'm doing the pollination myself. I've just only discovered male and female flowers as well. So I've come a long way. So today I'm going to be showing you how I pollinate my courgettes with my little brush in my greenhouse so that they stop falling off. So using my scissors, I'm going to snip this one. Ooh, lordy, hope I haven't lost it. Here it is, I don't want to damage it. And here is the male flower. I'm gonna rest that right there. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut the flowers off so I have full access to the pollen. So I'm just gonna take my scissors and gently cut the flower, cut a little bit more of this down, a little bit more. There's still so much pollen already on this as well. See the pollen on that already as well. Then I'm going to take my pollen and go over to my female fruit. I'm just going to cut this. And that's the female. You can get a good look at that. And that's the male. So we're gonna get him all inside here. Give it a good rub all around. Yeah, he's having a good time in here. Ooh, there he goes. I'm giving him a good rub. Yeah, see? Not too rough, be nice and gentle. We don't want to damage. Yeah. And I think that'll do it, guys. And then I'm going to close it up now and hope for the best. So I've completed the pollination and I've just tied him back. Put a little zip tie I've used to tie him back, and hopefully that little guy there is going to be a lovely courgette. I nearly said cucumber, but yeah. So these are the ones that I've done before and they're coming on great. So yeah, I think I've smashed this one. So these are the female flowers, which I used to think, oh, I have a courgette and it'll be fine. But no, it won't be fine. You need to have your male pollen planted into this flower in order for it to come. So I just figured that out this week. So this is a male flower. These are the male flowers. They have long stems, and that's the bud on the top there. And these are the female. It already has a little courgette on the bottom, so it's already come with its little baby and a flower on the top. So yes, I finally think I've got this. Stay with me, guys. We're gonna get these courgettes looking amazing real soon. And I've also been using the same method for my pumpkins as well. So this is one that I did earlier this week. He's been pollinated. Same thing. These are the male pumpkin flowers with the long tall stems and no pumpkin. And these are the females, if you can see that one with the little pumpkin underneath. So yay, finally figuring out these blossoms. I am finally figuring you guys out, which is the male and which is the female. It's like the birds and the bees in here. But yeah, happy days, happy days, happy days in the greenhouse. So if you're losing your courgettes too, or if you're having this same problem, give this a try and let me know if this is working for you as well. Let's all work together on this one. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know how it's getting on. Bye for now from the Alchemist Shed.